Hi, in this video you'll be seeing how to see the reinforcement drawing of a element and also also check the reinforcement nodes for each element. As you can as you can know from the previous video, I have already assigned all the loading, live load, dead load, and also win load, and also combine them into ultimate limit state. So now we're gonna check for the reinforcement drawing. For example, you can click on any element that you would like to see the reinforcement drawing. Let's say column, beam, slab, or even the footing or the staircase slab. So for example, I'll be selecting this column. You select the column that you would like to see the reinforcement drawing. So you go to provide reinforcement of RC element option from here and click on it. It will take some time, and also manual combination and OK, and this will be your element that you would like to see the reinforcement drawing. So once you can see this, you click on start calculation over here and generate drawing for calculated element and calculate. So as you can see, it will automatically produce you and provide you the detailed drawing for the RC reinforcement for the column. As you can see all the link and the distance between each link, and also the type of steel and everything, the diameter of aggregate, and the concrete type, the formwork, the density, and all those things that you will be needing for your construction. So once that you can go to column node to see all the column properties, material properties, the loading that we assigned, and you can see the slenderness analysis, buckling analysis, and all those important stuff that you needed for your project. So you can see anything from here. Column reinforcement, can have the each link over here, and you can see the each bar inside. And so that's for column. So let's say you want to check for beam. You can select the beam that you like to check on, the detailed drawing, and you click on the same provide RC reinforcement, and you click on manual combination and OK. And the 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 the, the beam that you selected will be appearing, and you click on start calculation over here and generate drawing for calculated elements and click calculate, and it will generate the beam design for you. As you can see, it's a continuous beam that I selected just now, so it has a page of 5. So this is first page of the 5 pages. So this is the starting of the beam towards the second column, third column, and so on until the end of the beam. So in beam also they will provide you with all the details that you needed, the aggregate diameter, the concrete type, everything that you needed. So once that, you can also check on the beam node over here, all the important data that you needed, and also the bending moment diagram, and also the shear force diagram. That is very important. You can find it from here, and all the important notes that you might need it. So you can also check on this slab. Let's say you want to check on this particular slab, maybe this particular small slab on the roof, and you select it and you click on the provide reinforcement and close, and the diagram will appear in your screen, and you can start your calculation over here, generate the drawing, the detailed drawing. And yeah, it come in page 3. So page number 1 will be the formwork for the slab. Page number 2 will be bottom slab reinforcement. Page number 3 will be top slab reinforcement, and page number 4 will be the reinforced concrete quality quantity surveying. So that's all. So you can select any type of element that you would like to check on using this method. I hope this helped you a lot. Thank you.